On an island far, far away, there lived 4 animals. One was a dolphin called Bailey. Another was a lion called Marley. A third was an elephant called Miles. And the fourth was an eagle called Jax. One day, a slippery, slimy crocodile came out from a nearby swamp onto the island. The 4 animals couldn't help but to be curious and all went together and met by the riverbank to investigate the new arrival.
Hi, I'm Bailey, and these are my 3 friends, Marley, Miles, and Jax. What's your name?
Whoa, what was that for?
I've lived my whole life in the swamps, while you lucky animals get to live the high life out here, with enough food, water, and shelter. I'm here to eat you and take over the island.
What should we do? The crocodile is too strong and powerful. Guys, calm down. We can find a way out of this. How? Marley's right. We could never take him on alone.
Wait, Jax, you said that he's too powerful for any one of us to take on alone. But what happens if we all try to drive him out together? If we all use our teamwork, we'll be able to chase him away. I'll distract the crocodile from the riverbank,
While I'll distract from the air, and Marley and I will chase him from the ground.
Okay, guys, now we've got a plan. Remember, all for one,
And one for all!
Ha! So you animals have finally decided to come back to challenge me. Well, none of you could ever beat me alone.
You're right. We can't beat you alone, but together.
Okay, I give up. Together you guys are just too strong.
Now I feel bad. If I were him, I'd probably want to live here too. Hello? He tried to eat us. Yeah, but no matter how bad anyone seems, they still have some good in them.
let's go and invite him back.
Why should I trust you guys? You drove me off your island.
And you tried to eat us.
Good point.
Well, we're sorry we misjudged you.
Yeah, and we'd like to invite you to live with us on the island.
Fine then. I guess I'll try to live with you guys in peace. And I'm sorry for trying to eat you too.
Hooray!
See, guys? We managed to save the island and make a new friend by working together. And from now on, we will always be all for one.
And one for all!
So, they all lived happily ever after on the island. Well, for the most part. The end.